challenge update. Um, Here we are. Over the last 1 month, if we look, let's see, 5 days. So we started on the 27th at 161, and what does it say? 162.90, whatever. We was down here somewhere. We was down in the trenches. We were struggling with the cash flow, and we did better coming in later in the week. We had I stopped day trading is what I stopped doing. I started swing trading, and I jumped on two positions. First, it was Ford. We jumped into Ford because it had earnings and it was a stock that I was familiar with. I saw Ford pulling down, and this was the day before, so I jumped in with two contracts. That's all I had left because I kept trying to day trade. And so the next day we were up $150 with two contracts starting at $12 each. So we did good. Um, Sold it off, sold near the top, not quite the top, kind of blown at that. I panicked out and jumped out too fast. And by doing that, it made me want to day trade because it pushed up some more. So I jumped in again. And of course, it reversed on me and pulled all the way back, never to come back. So um, I could have held that position, but I probably would have gotten washed the next day. So I just sold out and took about almost $100 loss on that. But I re-entered Ford again today. I'll show my new position. I jumped back in because we'll see what happens with this. Ford closed this gap, shows a very bullish signal. And I had bought weeklies for this first one, but this new position, I'm probably still in a weekly. I think I bought November 5th on this position because I don't hold through pullbacks. So I don't need to be buying 7 months out the I don't need to buy month contracts. If I can avoid it, I will. And so anyway, I'm in Ford again. The other one I traded, that was Wednesday. I traded Ford. Thursday, no, Wednesday to Thursday I traded Ford for a swing. Um, Exited on the pullback. Exited, so it let it pull back, and then re-entered again today. Um, Actually, if I would have held on to it, it would have been beautiful. But I just wanted to. I didn't know how savage the pullback was going to be with Ford, but it showed a lot of strength turning around today, so I jumped back in. U.S. Steel is what I traded Thursday to Friday. Same thing. It was in pullback. It had earnings. I bought into it. It went to the moon. Gave me about 300%. I think it was 300%. I don't know. It gave me $300. 300 and looking over at the wrong screen. I don't know, 329, three something, 364 on a day. So anyway, we did good with X. So I exited out of X today, and I exited out of X, and I am trading because X is in a pullback. I expected to pull back for a couple of days to close this gap. We'll see what happens on Monday or Tuesday, see how strong and bullish it looks, and I can re-enter my position. I play weeklies on these because I don't want to hold through pullbacks. I probably should, but I don't want to. So 2 weeks out is the max that I've been working with, unless they only have monthlies on a contract. Um, so right now, those are the two positions that got me to 629. And now um, I'm in F cell. Accidentally bought 10. It was defaulted to 10. I ended up selling off 6 and pulling about $25 out of that. And I'm left with 4 to see how it's going to respond. And I'm in Ford again. Like I said, I have 5 positions this time. And I don't know what the actual price is. It's a lot of the account. I don't think it's the entire account, but it's a lot of the account. No, because it says I got 129 buying power left. I wanted to leave some buying power on the table, though. I'm still getting my confidence up with swing trading. And when I feel extremely confident, then I'll go half in with all my account and leave half. If I get real cocky with it, I'm gonna start YOLOing the whole entire account. You know, that's what I'm here for. I just want to YOLO. That's all I want to do. But anyway, that's the update. Check back in next week.